In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily add page numbers to your Google Docs document. Page numbers can be a helpful way to keep your document organized and professional. Let's get started. First, make sure you have your Google Docs document open. In the top menu, you'll find the Insert option. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Within the Insert menu, select the Page Number option. A sub-menu will appear, giving you two options for page number placement, top of page or bottom of page. Pick the one that suits. If you want to start numbering from a specific page, you can set that too. Once you've customized your page number settings, click the Apply button to insert the page numbers into your document. And there you have it. Page numbers are now added to your Google Docs document. It's that easy to make your document look more professional and organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.